Question number 1. With reference to the sea cows, consider the following statements. Statement 1. They are also known as dugongs. 2. They are primarily found in the Gulf of Mannar Park Bay region. 3. The IUCN lists sea cow as critically endangered. 4. They are listed under Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So the correct answer for this question is B. That is only statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. The sea cows are also known as dugongs and are primarily found in India, primarily found in Gulf of Mannar, Park Bay region between India and Sri Lanka, and it's also found in Andaman and Nicobar region and in Gulf of Khambat and Kutch region. And sea cows is not sea cows are listed in IUCN vulnerable category, not in critically endangered. They are listed under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So the statement B is correct and statement 1 and 2 is incorrect. Primarily found in Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar, Park Bay, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Currently, the IUCN, which compiles the official red data list of endangered species, lists sea cow as vulnerable species. Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Sea cows are mammals, are exclusively herbivorous, and seagrass meadows are the main source of their food. These are the region of sea cows. In India, in South Asia, these are found in this region, in Arabian Sea, and this is the Park Bay and Gulf of Mannar region. Here sea cows are also found, and in Andaman Nicobar region. And these are the regions of all are the region of sea cows. Question number 2. With reference to the Sambar Lake, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Flamingos visit Sambar Lake as part of their annual migration along the Central Asian Flyway. 2. Sambar Lake is India's largest inland salt lake. So the correct answer for this question is C. That is both the statement are correct. Sambar is the India's largest inland salt lake, and these are the location or these are the part of annual migration of Central Asian flyway like flamingos and other bird species stay in the area of this lake. About Sambar Lake, it is a Ramsar wetland since 1990. Luni River is connected to this lake, and lake is also mentioned in the Mahabharata, and it is the largest salt producing lake in India. Sambar Lake is a critical habitat for migratory birds species, and the Sambar Salt Lake are located in Sambar Lake town in Jaipur district of Rajasthan, is India's largest inland salt lake. Question number 3. With reference to the ozone layer, consider the following statements. 1. The layer is positioned in mesosphere. 2. It is crucial for shielding humans from harmful ultraviolet radiation. 3. The Kyoto Protocol is the international agreement aimed at phasing out ozone depleting substances. So the correct answer for this question is A. That is statement 2 is correct, and a statement 1 and a statement 3 is incorrect. We will see later. Why? This is Earth, this is Earth, and this is troposphere. Height of troposphere is between 0 to it varies between 0 to approximately 18 kilometer, and its average height is 13 kilometer, and the maximum height of troposphere is near equator and minimum height is near the pole. So this is troposphere and this is stratosphere. And ozone is the part of a stratosphere. Ozone layer is the part of a stratosphere, and it absorb the ultraviolet rays coming from the solar radiation and protect the life on the earth. Protect the life on the earth from ultraviolet ray. So ozone layer is part of a stratosphere, not the mesosphere. This is mesosphere, and this is thermosphere, which is also divided into ionosphere, and these are exosphere. Thermosphere is important for satellites. Satellites are placed in this sphere, in this region, especially communication satellites are important. What is Kyoto Protocol? Kyoto Protocol was adopted in 1997 in Kyoto, Japan, entered into force in 2005 after ratification by at least 55 countries representing 55% of global emissions, and there are 192 countries eventually joined, though some signed but never ratified. Kyoto Protocol is landmark international treaty adopted in 1997 that committed industrialized nations, that means the developed nation who have the more carbon footprint than the underdeveloped and developing countries. So this protocol make nations to legally binding target for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, entered into force in 2005 and was major global climate governance. About Montreal Protocol. Montreal Protocol is related to ozone layer, not the Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is related to greenhouse gas emission, and Montreal Protocol is related to ozone depleting substances. It was first adopted in 1987 in Montreal, Canada, entered into force in 1989. There are 198 parties and UN member plus European Union and others, making it universally ratified. Purpose of the Montreal Protocol was to target nearly 100 man-made chemicals known as ozone-depleting substances, including chlorofluorocarbons, halogens, carbon tetrahydride, and methyl chloroform. These chemicals, when released, damage the stratospheric ozone layer, which shields Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays. So, and another one protocol which is related to the Kyoto Protocol is Kigali Protocol, which has banned the ozone-depleting substance CFC, not the HFC, hydrofluorocarbon, Kigali Protocol. This protocol is also related to ozone. Question number 4. Rajaji Tiger Reserve was recently in the news. The Rajaji Tiger Reserve is located in which of the following state? A. Sikkim, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Uttarakhand. So the correct answer for this question is Uttarakhand. Rajaji Tiger Reserve is in Uttarakhand, and it was designated as a tiger reserve in 2015. There are two tiger reserve in Uttarakhand. First one is Rajaji Tiger Reserve and the second one is Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve. This tiger reserve was in news because of the After many years of delay, finally the elephant safari has been included has been included in this tiger reserve. There are currently 58 tiger reserves in India, and we will see the map of the tiger reserve. These are the tiger reserve. This is Jim Carver Tiger Reserve, and Rajasi Tiger Reserve is in Uttarakhand. In Uttar Pradesh, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Pilibhit Tiger Reserve, Ranipur Tiger Reserve. This was recently included, Ranipur. Arunachal Pradesh, there is Kamlang Tiger Reserve, Namdafa, Pakke Tiger Reserve. In Assam, Manas, Kaziranga, Maner, Orang Tiger Reserve, and there are a lot of tiger reserve here. You can see all of them. Question number 5. The highly Gabbi volcano recently erupted. It is located in A. Mount Cameroon region, West Africa. B. Virunga volcanic belt, Democratic Republic of Congo. C. Great Rift Valley, Kenya. D. Afar region of Ethiopia. So the correct answer for this question is D, that is Afar region of Ethiopia. Recently, this because of eruption of this volcano, many flights have been cancelled in this region, and the dust erupted from this volcano is moving towards India and reducing the air quality of the country. So this volcano eruption have severe environmental implications, especially visibility losses due to the eruption of dust and gas particles. And this is eruption highly Gubbi volcano in Ethiopia, as clouds are reported to drifting towards parts of western India. This is Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a landlocked country in Horn of Africa region. There are four, there are 5 countries in Horn of Africa, which we can remember with the short form SIDS. That is Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti, and SID. Sorry, there are only four countries in Horn of Africa: Ethiopia, Somalia, Eritrea, and Djibouti. These are the only four. Ethiopia is the only landlocked country in Horn of Africa, and its capital is Addis Ababa. It shares land border with Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia in the east, Kenya in the southeast, Uganda, South Sudan, and Sudan. These are the bordering country of Ethiopia. And this is the Afar region where this volcano has been erupted. Afar region of Ethiopia. This Afar is triangle is situated in Ethiopia.